SumTime 3, page 27. Today we're working with fractions 24, and we're going to try to multiply mixed numbers. You remember what a mixed number is? A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. For example, 4½ or 7¾ or 19 2/5. There are basically two ways of multiplying mixed numbers. The first way is to make them into improper fractions. Suppose we wanted to multiply 3¾ by 5/6. Let's change the 3¾ into an improper fraction. 3/4. That means 3 parts out of 4. Every whole has 4 parts. So 3 is the same as 3 times 4. And we had 3/4. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So 3¾ is the same as 15/4, 15/4. Now then, we have two fractions. We have 15/4 times 5/6, which becomes 75/24. So 3¾ times 5/6 becomes 75/24. An improper fraction. Now then, are there any common factors to reduce 75/24 to its lowest form? Well, if we divide 75 by 3, we get 25. And if we divide 24 by 3, we get 8. So 3 is a common factor for 75 and 24. And we end up with 25/8, which is quite easy to deal with. 25/8 becomes how many wholes? 3 times 8 is 24. So it becomes 3 1/8 left over. So if you multiply 3¾ by 5/6, you get a smaller number. 3¾ has become 3 1/8. Now the other way is, if we have two mixed numbers, we can work like this. First of all, make both numbers into improper fractions. 6 7/8 times 9 6/7. 6 7/8 becomes 55/8. 9 6/7 become 69/7. So now we have 55/8 times 69/7 equals, wow, 3,795/56. How many times does 56 go into 3,795? 67 times, with 43 left over. So the answer becomes 67 and 43, 56. But believe you me, you'll need a calculator to work this one out. So let's leave it there. See you again soon.